back to the channel. We are up with another great series. So till now we completed Kedarnath, as you've all seen in the channel. So the next destination what we are planning for is two more Jyotirlingas which are present in Gujarat. We are going to Gujarat, then from there we'll be traveling Ahmedabad, and then to Dwarka. We'll be covering Dwarka as well, and from there we'll be going to Somnath temple. So I'll keep you posted on how it goes. For now, what I would say is the packing is done. I'm getting ready. So the time currently is 2:59 p.m. But what the reason why I'm leaving so early is there are a couple of things which I have to buy more. So we will do the shopping first. We'll go meet up with the other friend whom we are going with the trip on. That is Suresh and Rahul basically. So two more guys, Shreyas and Sanath, will be directly joining us tomorrow. They are going to take a early morning flight tomorrow. Then they will reach probably at 10 a.m. tomorrow in the morning, and then we'll regroup and move ahead. So for now we need to catch up with Suresh and Rahul. Stay with us. We'll see how it goes this time. Probably this is going to be one more hell of a ride. Thank you.
Vanakkam, namaskara.
Yeah guys, so we have done the shopping, reached here at the airport. So here we are with Suresh here, Rahul here, and check-in is done. We are waiting for the flight,
And we booked the cheapest flight, so we are boarding at 1 a.m. flight.
So yeah, as you know, as I told you, it's 11 a.m. actually, not 1 a.m. 11 p.m. sorry. The time is 10:58 now.
Almost.
The flight is an hour late.
Soon.
No. So apparently, just like Indian Railways, where we went to Kedarnath also, the train was delayed by 3 hours. Now the flight is also delayed by an hour. But we are waiting here. So
We are going to bring all
it
those
is
nostalgic memories back.
yeah, something to see. We'll
Teri gim
Tali give morning. Yeah, so Solimo wants to tell
Thanks
something.
to Wasim bhai.
Yeah. The Wasim bhai, I forgot to tell Wasim bhai. So Wasim bhai apparently is our cab driver,
who was former Rapido captain.
and we spoke a lot with him. And I don't know, especially this guy over here. He is fond of making fun of people. So as usual,
Namaskara.
he's doing it. And Solimo, he's going to buy 2 acres zameen. So we're just going around the airport. Excuse us for the bad words, sorry. People like this are traveling together means
You should expect.
you should expect some bad words and
some respect.
and yeah, no, not some respect actually.
Here one something is there. What is this? Multi-fair prayer room. Come, let's go.
Please
Avoid
avoid
high substances.
18 plus content in my channel, please.
We can show the divine path also.
Isuzu.
Since we are sitting in standing in electric bus, we are discussing on Isuzu SUVs to buy one.
How to spell? Monday Air India.
Air Akasa.
ಆಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಎರಡೋದವರು ಅವನನ್ನು ಗಾಲಿನೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟಾಗ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಸ್ದ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಐತಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾನ ನೀನು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಏನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ರೋಲ್
So good morning everyone.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
So what happened is the flight came at 3 o'clock. So we slept in the airport for 2 hours. It was a good place to sleep. So if you are coming to Ahmedabad airport, It is not as good as Bangalore airport, but still you can rest over there. And we found a charging spot here. So we slept at 3 o'clock and now it is 6:48. So we slept for 3 hours and now we have come out. But the thing is, still Sanath and Shreyas have not yet reached Ahmedabad. So Suresh,
Any comments on Samsung?
no.
Any genuine
no,
reviews?
no, Mr. Rao.
bro.
No.
Oh,
The
is it?
problem is with
Jed.
Jed
Jed
hands.
Solimo.
Jed hands going to Jed phone also. And this is how
Sardarwai, that's
not Sardar.
Patel Antarashtriya Viman Patan.
Viman Patranada.
Something. I don't know why they are renamed it, but maybe they have
No, it
renamed
is
with
written in English over there if you can see.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Hawaii Adda, but instead of that they made some mistake. Maybe we'll
And
correct it.
one more mistake. Never do this mistake. In and around airport there are a lot of restaurants, but if you eat here,
Creditum Degam.
for one masala dosa they are charging 250 to 300. So we'll get going outside. We'll see where we are going to get some good
Let's
breakfast.
try
and-
some command and dokla today.
Yeah, let's see what's famous in Gujarat and let's have them. So we'll get going. What do you say, Suresh?
He is
Liam Hobson
setting up
magana.
his
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಝೀರೋ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
Okay, bye. So guys, where are we off to?
we are off to Ahmedabad bus stand.
So from here we are going to Ahmedabad bus stand and then probably we'll get a bus towards Rani Ki Vav and so wherever we have to go in Ahmedabad we'll get a bus for that. First destination we are going to is the central bus stand. So we have booked an Uber over here. We have stopped for breakfast here. Famous Gujarati poha. This is in the central bus stand. It is good. So we are going to have breakfast here and then we'll go catch a bus to Patan. So we are heading to Rani Ki Vav. So we came to the central bus stand. We took a bus to Patan. We are supposed to tell Patan, not Patan actually. So from here to Patan and then from there to we are supposed to take an auto. So we are sitting here off to Rani Ki Vav.
And here
And here
Gujarat vibes.
Gujarat vibes. Patak. So Raul, where are we now?
We are in Rani Ki Vav.
Yeah, so how did we get here? We took a bus from Ahmedabad to Patan and then from there we took a share auto and then we reached here. So the bus will cost you around 120 per head and the auto will charge you 30 rupees. So this is one of the archaeological site, right?
It belongs to Archaeological Survey of India, ESI. So I guess it will be quick for us to go in and check out.
Yeah, we can see our Suresh protecting himself against sun right now. Oh,
He is posing with
Raul,
melt biceps.
Raul, you can also pose. Alright, let's go in. We had sugarcane juice actually. So it's a very dehydrating day. It's very sunny. We had sugarcane juice. Now we'll go inside and I'll show. So we are supposed to take a ticket over here. You can scan the QR code and then pay it automatically. It's because it's an archaeological survey. Okay, allowed nahi hai. Andar bhi nahi hai. So yeah, this is Rani Ki Vav. We have oh, it's very steep actually.
Actually, we came to the site now. Vishal, anything?
Look at the way it is carved underground.
It's very beautiful.
He sees Raichur in everything.
So actually, it's made up of 7 layers or 7 mandals they'll call. Actually, it's summer, so maybe due to weather, there is no water beneath it. And actually, it is built by this Patan king for his lovely queen. So, and like maybe there are some destructions. Maybe in the past, you can see here there are some. They removed some curvature, something. Maybe attacks have been on this spot. And here also you can see the steps are constructed by ASI, and they I guess they made it to capture the texture and all. Yeah. So here we are at our first destination in Gujarat. Yeah. Hi, so we boarded the Ahmedabad bus again, and we had a quick snack here, and we got it 50 rupees per plate, and this guy found that hotel.
Credit goes to Suresh. Credit goes to Suresh. We were actually insisting on having jalebi and samosa, but this guy Suresh told we'll have a proper meal, and we ended up in a very good restaurant actually.
And it's same like Vana Bisan Raichur Gulbarga. And I hope we will reach our destination by, what is the time now? By 6. Yeah, so we'll see you over there. Yeah.
Peace out.
Condition is very horrible right now, so we'll start the vlog back again probably midway or once we reach Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Hello guys, so this is Stepwell. So this is our second destination in Gujarat. We came from Rani Ki Vav, and yeah. So boys, how's the Josh? By seeing his face, oily, guddam dengam face am. I guess I don't know the history of this. Maybe we can explain a bit later whenever the time permits. Yeah. This is our third destination today.
But the good thing is after regrouping with the other two guys,
this is Sanat from Bosch Global Software, and this is Windchill Boy.
Hi.
John Cena ko sangi kansale
Illa 70 al not really flower.
This is Atal Bridge, and we are standing here.
Flower park go button.